20 years I couldn't see it. And then after 20 years of addiction, it was almost like I unplugged myself from society. I literally just unplugged myself. I stood back here and went, oh my goodness, this is what I've been doing. And I didn't know how to stop. But once you actually see what's going on and you start to take control of it, you're going to take control for the rest of your life. You've all got the ability to create this inner happiness, this priceless thing that doesn't involve money. And it doesn't even involve other people. You know, all the time that you look for other people to create your happiness, you're definitely looking in the wrong place. Because what do most people do? You know, they let us down. They don't create what we thought that they were going to create. And I'm not saying everyone split up from your partners and, but what I'm saying is it doesn't matter who you live with, what you need to do is create your own happiness, your own joy. And even if that person has got issues themselves, what you do is you protect you first and then you see if you can help them. And the physical body. That car can't just decide to drive around a block. What do you need for that car to go somewhere? You need a driver. Well, I've never seen a mind driving a car, but I'm sorry. Don't throw that book at me, whatever you do. But you need a driver. Yeah, for that car to go anywhere, you physically got to get in it. You got to press a button, put a key in, put it into gear, drive, and then you physically got to drive it. Yeah. So that exact model is no different to us. It really isn't, because look, you look at me. You're looking at the physical body. Exactly the same as you're looking at the car. What you don't see is this, the computer systems and the electronics which run the physical body. But even with the computer systems and the electronics and the physical body, it still can't go anywhere, can it? What do you need? You need a driver. See, you consciously, you are the driver of this vehicle. What exactly are we? Who are we? You know, there's a bigger question here. Because listen, if I'm not my mind, and I'm not this physical body, then what am I? I'm not the physical. So am I a spirit? Am I the spiritual? Am I the conscious self? Am I just energy? What am I? I don't know. You know, that's a question that you would have to answer. Yeah, because you've got to have faith in that. Whether you're, religious based or, whatever it is, see, there's a line, isn't there? There's a line that I don't cross over because I don't know what that is. So, whatever your religious beliefs are, they're safe in this room. But what I have to do is I have to teach you about the separation. And 100%, you consciously are separate to your mind and body. Just like 100%, when I drive that car, I am not that car. If something goes wrong, it goes wrong with the car, it's not me. And this is when someone says to me, well, am I an addict? Yeah? You've never been an addict. Yeah? Your mind and body became addicted too, and you answered to that mind and body. Yes, you consciously put that drug in. Yes, you consciously wanted to experience what was happening, okay? But you never became addicted to it. Yeah, your mind and body became addicted to it. All you done from that moment on, just like me smoking cigarettes, is I answered to a want and need that was created inside of me. So you are free of addiction.